Alright, so with this new update, I am able to create clips out of any video, slow motion clips, and the functionality has been drastically improved. Let's dive in and see exactly what's going on. Hey guys, Talk here from sakitech, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about a great new update for a powerful Samsung application known as the Galaxy Enhance X application. So let me launch that right over here. Now the Galaxy Enhance X application allows you to modify pictures and videos using some powerful AI tools. We have tools like the focus shift, the slow-mo, the camera shift, the fixed blur, and also the single take feature, as well as the sky guide and a bunch of downloadable features if you want to add additional features. Now, the latest update highly enhances the instant slow motion feature. In fact, it adds the instant slow motion feature to the application so you can create slow motion clips from any video files. So let's see exactly what is going on here. So first and foremost, to get the latest application or update to the latest version, simply click the link down below. Once you click that link, you're going to be at my website. And then if you scroll down at the bottom, under download the application, you can click the link right here. That's going to open up the Galaxy Store and you can update to the latest version. Now if I scroll down, you can see right here it says what is new. It says new instant slow motion feature added. It was added on the 17th, just popped up on my phone a couple days ago. And also you can see it is 116 megabytes. So either update or install. Now let's see what's going on here. If I launch the application, okay, and if I tap on select video or photo, I am able to pick up any photo or video and do modifications. Now we're talking about the slow motion feature, so I'm going to select this video right here. Okay, this is a video where there's some movement, so we can use the example. So look at this. When I select the video, all the available options show up at the bottom. And here's the slow motion option. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the portions of the clip where I want to use the slow motion option. So let's see. Here's the clip. Alright, so we're going to come over here like that, and we're going to trim it like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on slow-mo. Okay, so it's going to trim the video, and now you can see that video that I selected playing. Now what I can do is, as it is playing, I can press and hold anywhere and keep press and holding to create a slow motion clip that's going to appear right there. So I can do that, and I can do it even one more time. So if I want to do a little bit quicker right here, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, boom. And that's going to be second clip right there. So I can create as many clips that I want out of that little area that I selected. So let's do one more. Here we go. Okay, so now we have 3 clips at the bottom. That's the maximum that you can have. Now what you can do is you can tap on this guy and you can pick the one that you want. So I can swipe around all the 3 ones that I chose, as you can see. All right, and then what I can do is I can tap on save all, or save the one that I'm looking at from right here, or I can even share this right away with somebody. Now this feature has been highly enhanced, so now it behaves much better. Alright, so that's the story. So we have the 3 clips. We can select whatever we want, or all of them. You can, let's say I want to save this one right here. I tap on save. It says saved into the gallery. So when I go out now, if I want to access that particular clip, it's going to be right here. So here was my original clip that I got, and then right here is the actual clip that I made out of that slow motion clip. All right, guys, so that's the latest update, a quick update, but a great update. Any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let me know. For now, have a fantastic day.